How to Build Wealth in Any Market, Timeless Lessons from Jim Cramer. Imagine having the ability to thrive financially no matter what the stock market throws at you, booms, busts, recessions, or rallies. That's the central promise of James J. Cramer's How to Make Money in Any Market. Drawing on decades of experience as a hedge fund manager, TV host, and relentless student of the financial world, Cramer offers not just tips but a philosophy of investing that blends strategy, discipline, and emotional intelligence. Let's dive deep into the most important lessons, facts, and insights from this powerful book. One of the first lessons Cramer stresses is that knowledge is power. Investors who enter the market without preparation are like soldiers walking into battle unarmed. He insists that serious investors must dedicate time each day to research, reading company reports, listening to earnings calls, and staying updated on macroeconomic news. Knowledge doesn't guarantee success, but ignorance almost guarantees failure. The second lesson is discipline over emotion. Many investors fall into the trap of greed during bull markets and fear during downturns. Cramer explains that emotions are the silent killers of portfolios. The key is to stick to a well-thought-out strategy, even when the market tempts you to chase hot trends or panic sell. Discipline is what separates the professionals from the amateurs. A third essential insight is diversification. Cramer repeats this lesson again and again, because too many investors ignore it. Putting all your money in one industry, one stock, or one asset class is gambling, not investing. By spreading investments across different sectors, technology, healthcare, energy, finance, you shield yourself from catastrophic losses in case one industry collapses. Diversification doesn't eliminate risk, but it dramatically lowers it. Another powerful lesson is to have a plan for both bull and bear markets. Cramer reminds us that markets move in cycles. Investors who only know how to make money in rising markets are doomed when the inevitable correction comes. He shares strategies for defensive plays, such as buying dividend stocks, rotating into consumer staples, and using cash reserves wisely, that can help investors preserve wealth during downturns. Cramer also teaches the importance of using volatility to your advantage. Instead of fearing sudden price swings, savvy investors see them as opportunities. A great company's stock may dip due to temporary headlines or short-term fears, creating a buying opportunity for those who have done their research. Volatility, in other words, is the market putting stocks on sale. Patience is another cornerstone of Cramer's philosophy. He cautions against the illusion of overnight success in the stock market. While day trading or chasing meme stocks may appear exciting, sustainable wealth is built through long-term investing. Compounding returns, reinvested dividends, and strategic portfolio growth require time and consistency. One of the hardest but most crucial lessons is knowing when to cut losses. Cramer argues that clinging to a losing stock out of pride or stubbornness can wreck portfolios. Investors must learn to detach emotionally and accept when a thesis is broken. Selling a bad stock isn't failure, it's smart capital management. He also highlights the importance of dividends. A company that consistently pays dividends demonstrates stability and confidence in its future. Dividend stocks can provide a steady income stream that cushions investors during downturns, offering a powerful balance to growth-oriented holdings. A recurring theme in Cramer's teachings is continuous learning. The market never stands still. Technological innovation, global crises, government regulations, and shifting consumer behavior constantly reshape the landscape. Investors who stop learning quickly fall behind. Reading, observing, and adapting are lifelong responsibilities for anyone serious about financial success. Finally, Cramer emphasizes that investing is personal. Each investor has unique goals, risk tolerance, and timelines. What works for a 25-year-old with decades ahead may not work for someone nearing retirement. Success comes from aligning your investments with your personal circumstances, not blindly copying others. Throughout this book, Cramer combines real-world anecdotes with timeless wisdom, reminding us that the stock market isn't a casino, it's a powerful tool for wealth creation when approached with discipline, knowledge, and strategy. His core message is clear: you can make money in any market, but only if you respect the process, control your emotions, and think long-term. And as you reflect on these lessons, remember that the greatest wealth is built not by chasing every trend, but by mastering the fundamentals and applying them consistently. Don't forget to like, share, and comment with your biggest takeaway from Jim Cramer's teachings. Thank you for joining me on this journey through how to make money in any market.